Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're gonna make sprinkle marshmallow cookies. I have tons of sprinkles, and we're gonna use some nonpareils as well. We're gonna make a basic cookie dough with butter, eggs, sugar, flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and vanilla. And then we're gonna stuff it with a mini marshmallow and cover it with the sprinkles and bake it. This is a really fun thing to do with the kids. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Let me get everything mise en place and I'll show you how to make it.
Hello friends, I appreciate you being here. Please watch the video to the end so you can see the whole recipe and help me out. Would you please click like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you more recipes.
You need 2 sticks of butter, and it should be at room temperature. So if you can squeeze it like this, it's ready to use. However, if you forgot and need to use the microwave, you can soften it in the microwave for about 10-12 seconds. Next, we're gonna paddle it until it's light and fluffy. Scrape it down the sides of the bowl and the paddle attachment, and then we can add in our sugar. We're gonna mix in 1.5 cups of sugar, and we're gonna mix it on low speed. Next, we're gonna add in 1 egg, and I like to pour it from a measuring cup with a spout like this to make it easy to get in there. And again, we're gonna mix it on low speed until it's fully incorporated. While that's mixing, I'm gonna add the dry ingredients to our 3 cups of all-purpose flour. That's a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and then 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. And now I'm just gonna mix it together, make sure all the ingredients are fully dispersed throughout all the flour. Once the egg is completely mixed in, we're now gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm gonna add in all of our dry ingredients, put it in all at the same time, and then we'll mix it together on low speed until it's fully incorporated. I like to scoop the dough with a cookie scoop, and then we're gonna flatten it out. So just with the palm of your hand, press it down. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna flatten it out till it's nice and thin, and we're gonna put our marshmallow into the middle and then roll up the cookie dough around it. So we have the cookie encasing that marshmallow. And to show you how easy it is, one of my students is going to demonstrate how to wrap it up. You're going to roll your dough over it and then tightly compress it and then roll it into a ball. After we roll it into a ball, then we're going to roll it into our sprinkles.
Now, we found out that it's a pretty dry dough, so sometimes the sprinkles are not sticking. So if you're having trouble with the sprinkles sticking, just dab your finger in a little bit of water and just sort of brush on a little bit of water on the top. Dip your cookie into the sprinkles, press it down a little bit, and then put it on your tray, and that is actually helping to keep it on. And I'm staggering the cookies on the tray, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then we'll put it into our 325-degree oven. Set the timer for 5 minutes, rotate after the first 5 minutes, another 5 minutes, and see if they're golden brown on the bottom, and then we'll know they're ready to take out. And actually, that's the timer, so let's check and see. I have my first batch in here. Woo! Look how, oh, that one exploded. All right, so now, don't do this at home, it's very hot, but if you can, you're gonna look under the bottom and see if it's a light golden brown. And let me get these out of the oven because the marshmallows are expanding. Oh, wow, can't wait to try these, and my students are gonna love them. All right, here they are, our first batch out of the oven. You can see a very nice light golden brown on the bottom. That is what you are looking for, and then you know it's time to take it out. And that was about 12 minutes, okay? So 5 minutes on the first side, rotate, another 5 minutes, and if it's not golden brown, you might put it in for another 2 minutes. But we don't want to do it too long because, again, as I told you, the marshmallow will expand and then it'll crack the cookies. So you're gonna have it on a light color. These cookies do not get too much color on them, okay? But look at that one, that looks adorable. Can't wait to eat it. Here we are, our beautiful sprinkle marshmallow cookies. Aren't they adorable? They look absolutely fun. Let's take a bite and see what the inside looks like. Mmm. That tastes so good. I ate the marshmallow. It came in my piece that I ate, so you can't see it in there. But anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out all of the videos on my YouTube channel. There's over 461. And please come back more and see what we're up to in the kitchen in the future. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. Leave me a comment and let me know how you like the recipe. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.